Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to loop a video on iPhone 16e. So there's a few different approaches and few different use cases, so I'm gonna explain all of these. So the first one is just going to Photos, and if you play a video it'll automatically be looped, but you can see it just replays. So if you send this video it'll not be looped, it'll just be one video that stops playing when it finishes. And so that now it's time to actually edit this video so we can have it looped as a file. So if you send it to someone, it'll, for example, play twice or 3 times or 4 times, however much you want. So in order to do it, you can go to the iMovie app, which you can download from App Store and is provided by Apple and completely free. And in this app you can start a new project. I'm gonna select movie, then I'm gonna select the video that I want to loop. Maybe not this one, but let's select or let's set it to this one. Then click on create movie. And now the disadvantage of this app is that it creates the videos in the 16:9 horizontal aspect ratio, which I think you can change. But I'm gonna click on this magnifier, then pinch that video to zoom it. Okay, I'm gonna change to a different video. Start a new project, and I'm gonna select the 20-second version. Create movie, and now I should be able to do it. So as I just click on the timeline first, then at this button I can pinch it. Now it's zoomed, it's okay, fine. And what we can do now is just add another video. So just add the same video again. So click on plus, and then video, recently added, I'm gonna select, so I can just select the recently added video. Then I'm gonna click on plus, and you can see it's added. You can change the transition between them. So you can set it to none. So it'll just loop itself like that. I'm gonna also pinch that video, so click on the timeline, then on the magnifier and pinch it. And now you can see it loops itself without any transition, but you can also set a transition to like slide, for example. And that's how you manage it. Then when you click on done, you can click on the share button, save on or share video, and save video to your gallery. And now as I save it, let's see how it turns out. And later I'm gonna show you also the last option. So as I go to Photos now and go to that video, you can see unfortunately this is the 16:9 aspect ratio, but as you can see it'll be looped. Just gonna slide to the middle of the video. And it's looped, so that's great. And now the last option is taking a live photo, but it will be short, but it's great because you can take the live photo. So I'm gonna turn on the live photo, so make sure that this icon is not crossed. You can also click on the arrow and click on this icon and turn it on, so when it's yellow then you're sure it's gonna take a live photo. And now I'm gonna take it, and now as I press and hold on this photo, you can see this is my live photo. It's pretty short, but this is how it looks. And if I change the live to loop, then it'll be looped. It's not the greatest photo because it's just a video of my laptop, but you can also change it to bounce, so it'll bounce like a boomerang on Instagram. You can also set it to long exposure, so in this case it's not the greatest, but it will just blur out the things that were moving and not blur out the things that weren't moving. And then you can also just turn off the live photo, but since we were talking about the loop, you can loop it like that. And on some better photos, it probably will be a better loop. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.